Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add a new vehicle to our YouTube stream. This is a 2013 Ford F-250 4x4. It's got 113,000 miles on it. Johnny and I are going to go around this utility body that we got here and just show you a little bit of the vehicle we've got. 6.7 liter Duramax, 6.7 liter diesel from Ford. We're going to go around the back here. I'm going to open the doors for him. These are all one owner, clean Carfax, fully serviced units. All Southern truck. This truck's got a really nice tool chest in it. Flip top opening box. Also has the sliding locker, so you can put a deadbolt on it if you're out of town. Extra toolbox in the back. It's got a welding platform here. Let's cut the pipe. Got some real nice Kellys on it, all-terrain tires, fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. If you have any questions about this unit, please call Nick. I'm Nick, and Johnny's right behind the camera here. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 919-661-2886. or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and have a nice day.